Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to revert back to the classic start menu on Windows, then watch this video. Now I need to make a few changes in the registry editor to get the classic version of the Windows start menu. So for that, we will look for registry editor and then click on it. And we will have to open the current users folder, expand it, then expand the software folder, then expand the Microsoft folder, current version, expand it, and then expand Explorer, and then click on the advanced folder. So Microsoft, Windows, current version, and advanced, and click on it. And then come to the right pane and then right click on it, new, and we will open a dword 32-bit value file. And we will name it as classic mode. So start underscore show classic mode, copy it, and then we will name the folder as that. Remember folks that we need to make sure that the capital letters and the small letters are the same as shown in this video. So we will rename this as start underscore show classic mode, and then we will right click on it, click on modify, and then make sure the value is set as 1, and then click on OK, and then restart the computer, and your Windows should revert back to the old classic mode start menu. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.